Hey guys, it's me, Happy Cultivator, and the roof is going on, guys. We got the guys up there. They're putting on the new insulated roof. The roof's on the back portion. So let me take you on inside and show you guys. All right, we're on the inside. Let's go on upstairs. And there you have it, guys. The roof is on. All the joists are up. You see the new insulated roofing material. So the whole second floor is complete. Roof joists are up. Roof is up. We're finishing putting on the final insulated panels on the roof of the old part of the house. But there you have it, guys. I mean, this urban empire is really coming along. So next process will be having the electrician come through and put in all of the outlets and all of the boxes for the lighting. And after that, we'll have the windows coming next week, and the windows will go in. And then right after that, the roof will be put on, all the roofing materials, and then we'll be all dried up. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.